enabling transparent deduplication and auditing for encrypted data in cloud. Abstract. Cloud storage saves space by removing duplicate files, but securing deduplication is challenging. Traditional methods require users to encrypt files with specific algorithms that aren't fully secure, and users don't clearly benefit from storage savings due to opaque pricing. Here is our website, which you can find Python projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From Python projects to span diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document, we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. Results. Here is the project home page. Here the uploader can be registered with using their valid information. The uploader can be logged in using their credentials. Accounts need to be verified by the controller. The controller can be logged in using valid credentials. This is the home page after login. Controller need to be authenticate the uploaders or users. Controller can be update their profile. The uploader need to be upload their files. Uploader can view the files and can update or delete it. The user or recipient can view the available files. If they want, need to be send the file request. Accept the file request to users. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.